Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Take a look at this new case that was sent out to me by ESR. This is one of their tough cases. Now, I have used tough cases before on different phones. Now that I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, you can see here I actually have an ESR case on here. But I think this new case might offer a bit more protection. So let's take a look at exactly what we get. So we're just going to pop this case off right here. All right, so here is our iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. All right, so what do we get? So here is the actual case. Now it comes with a little foam inside to protect it. It's very similar, somewhat in design aesthetics, to the previous case. Now, one of the things that I do like about both of the cases, now both of these are designed for the 16 Pro Max. They have the cutout for the camera button, but this one offers something a little bit more. You actually have this foam or plastic shell that the phone goes inside of, and then a harder outer shell on the back of it, okay? So let's see how we actually install this. All right, guys, as you can see, now we have our phone inside of the case, our camera buttons exposed, all of the buttons work perfectly. We can swipe to unlock using Face ID or whatever the case it will be. But then you have this really rugged case. So let's check our MagSafe capabilities here. So let me grab a battery that I know is a MagSafe battery. All right, that's on and it is charging. So even through this tough case, it can still charge, which is really nice to see. All right, so this is the ESR tough case. Now this also has one little hidden feature. Let me show you guys here real quick. You can pop out that little frame there, and you can actually use the case to watch content on your phone. You can just, pop that up like so. And that adds additional protection to your cameras. You have this metal frame that goes all the way around and protects your cameras. So you got bump protection on either all of the corners. You also have this little tab right here to protect your USB. Even your speakers have some protection. Really nice design for the case. It comes in a variety of colors. So if you guys are looking for a tough, rugged case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max or 16 Pro, definitely take a look at this ESR case. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.